All right, let's move on and let's talk about the earnings also and the impact of the trade deal. And to talk more about that, we are now joined by Angshu Malik, who's the Executive Deputy Chairman of AWL Agri Business. Thank you, Mr. Malik, for joining us today. Mr. Malik, the revenue growth has remained strong for you, but the margins have come under pressure this time. What were the key drivers this quarter, and when do you expect the margins to recover?
See, as far as volume growth was concerned, we did 3%, but in edible oil, we have come back with a robust 8% growth, volume growth. Value-wise, 10% growth overall. On margin front, we had one of inventory advantage last year, same time, which gave us higher profits because in a commodity cycle, sometime you are at the best time of the cycle. And that exactly happened last year, Q3. But otherwise, our profits are much better than Q2. And quarter on quarter, we have been improving. And I am confident we will do the same Q4.
Right, so the outlook on the fourth quarter is very positive. Mr. Malik, afternoon, Ashesha this side. And since we are talking on a day when the markets are reacting to the India-US trade deal, if you can take us through your exposure to the US market and any kind of benefit that AWL Agri will enjoy on account of the deal?
We do export to US and not very large quantity. That's only in a branded Fortune basmati rice or sunflower or other products. Now, our total basket to exports to US.
Right.
Right. So we'll try and connect with Mr. Malik in just a bit, but that's the word coming in. Remember, they reported their numbers. Mr. Malik, if you can hear me, you were making a point on exposure of AWL Agri to the US. Please make your point.
So we are exporting basmati rice and sunflower oil to US, but our basket is very small, 5% only of the total. But from India side, I think the story is very good because basmati rice, almost 300,000 tons of basmati rice goes to US. That is one. What we have to also see what will come from US, and we'll have to see whether soybean oil is being given any concessional benefits. We are not sure about it because we'll have to see the trade agreement. But if there is, then soybean oil will also come from US to India.
Right. Mr. Malik, you said that quarter four is likely to be better. Could you elaborate, though, on the kind of volume growth that you're penciling in for quarter four and also the volume growth that you had in quarter three and your projections for FY27 as well?
See, on edible oil, we have been confident of having growing at around 5 to 10%, anything between 5 and 10%. And we will continue to do that. Q4 also, we expect edible oil to grow in a similar way. What we are now looking at to push our food volume, staples volume. Staples has not grown this quarter is only because we did not do well in non-basmati rice and chakki atta. The rest of the product did very well, whether it is poha or sugar or dal, besan, maida, basmati rice, all these did very well, but except for non-basmati rice where we did some consolidation. Hopefully Q4 onwards, food should also grow at double digit. And our oleochemical business is doing well, and I'm sure that will also add volume.
Understood. Also wanted your thoughts on the edible oil business. I understand that you said that fourth quarter is expected to be positive. What about the food industry then? By when do you expect this segment to recover? Is it likely to happen in the fourth quarter itself?
See, first half was not so good. Second half, this Q3, we have seen things improve after November as far as staples business is concerned. January has been very good. And it looks like February and March also will be good. Early March, we have Holi. And Holi is normally a very big season for consumption of staples. Marriage season is going on. Overall, the mood of rural India is very good. Rural consumption has improved. And we can see that in Q3, we have seen that. Only pressure is in the urban towns. Rest, tier 2 and tier 3 towns are also doing well.
Right, Mr. Malik, finally, your packaged food and FMCG portfolio, that continues to expand. So how central is this segment to AWL's long-term growth and, the margin improvement strategy?
See, on staples, when we do the basic staples, we are there. Now, what we are doing is we are adding value to the staples and making it offered to the consumers. Like, say, double roasted suji is a product that South needs it. We have done it. Dalia, we are there. We have done the biryani variants. So, we are looking at what the new age lady requires, and we are trying to give her a offering which helps her cooking the food faster. We are not very gung-ho about ready to eat. More we are working on ready to cook products.
Right. So that's the view on several sectors, and fourth quarter is expected to be a stronger quarter for you. That's the word coming in. Mr. Malik, thank you so much for taking your time out and joining us here on ET Now. But with that, it's a wrap on this edition of the show. Thanks so much for tuning in. Closing trades will take you to the next 1 hour.